Planning an international move? Choosing the right international movers in New Jersey is the key to a smooth, stress-free relocation. In this video, we'll guide you through everything you need to know to select the best moving company for your international journey, from pricing and services to tips that will make the entire process easier. Moving abroad requires more than just transporting boxes. It's about peace of mind. The best international movers in New Jersey provide expert services that go beyond just getting your items from point A to point B. You'll need a team that handles packing, customs clearance, and freight forwarding so you can focus on settling into your new life abroad. Wondering about the cost of an international move? Here's an example of typical pricing for moving from New Jersey to cities like Shanghai, Berlin, and Dubai. Rates vary by the size of your move and destination. For a 2-bedroom home, rates can range from $2,695 to $6,973 depending on where you're moving. Prices depend on factors like shipping methods and distance, but don't worry, we'll help you get the best deal. The cost of international moves can vary widely based on destination, size, and services. For example, shipping a 20-foot container can cost around $794, while LCL, less than container load rates, are more affordable, starting at $79 per cubic meter. To get an accurate estimate, request a free in-home consultation with top New Jersey movers. They'll assess the size of your move and provide a tailored quote. Planning to ship a car, boat, or RV? Container and ro-ro shipping are options for international vehicle transport. For example, shipping a sedan via container can cost around $856, while a SUV via ro-ro can cost about $643. Be sure to discuss these options with your moving company to get a precise estimate for your vehicle's transport. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and leave any questions in the comments below. Don't forget to share it with friends planning their international moves. See you in the next video.